Hey there, Roblox fans. Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into all the latest tips and tricks for your favorite games. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but incredibly useful: how to change your username on Roblox in 2025. Whether you're leveling up your profile, ditching an old name, or just feeling like a fresh start, this guide has got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. Open up the Roblox app or head to the website on your computer or mobile device. Once you're in, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access your settings. This is your hub for all account tweaks, so let's keep going. Next, navigate to the Account Info section. It's usually right there on the main settings page. Look for the option that says Change Username. It's pretty easy to spot. Now, here's where the fun begins. Type in your desired new username. Roblox will check if it's available in real time, so if it's taken, try adding numbers or a cool twist to make it unique. Once you've got a name that works, hit the Confirm button. Depending on Roblox's current policies in 2025, you might need to pay a small fee, around 1,000 Robux last I checked, but double check that. After you confirm, Roblox will process the change, which could take a few minutes. Don't worry if you see a waiting period, it's all part of keeping things secure. Pro tip: choose a username that's easy to remember and follows Roblox's guidelines, no offensive words or anything against their rules. If you run into any errors, like an unavailable name, just try again or contact Roblox support. And just like that, you're all set with your new identity. Changing your username can really refresh your Roblox experience, so go ahead and show off your new handle to your friends. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more gaming guides, and drop a comment below with your new username. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep gaming.